The last thing I want to kind of go over is the numbers. Okay, so you got to know your numbers. You got to know your cost per acquisition. So, how much do you have to spend, whether pay traffic or even organic to make your content? How much you have to spend to acquire customers? Okay. The second thing is you need to know what your target cost per acquisition actually is. Like what makes economical sense so that your business is profitable. And third is lifetime value. What is each customer worth to you? Right? Are they worth a one-time sale or do they buy from you repeatedly? Or are they, do they stay with you for years? Is their average order value massive? These three numbers are the key to making your marketing work because even if you go the organic route, you're still going to have to invest money and or time and usually both into creating the content, hiring a graphic designer, hiring someone to edit your videos, using softwares to edit your video. So you're still investing money. You want to account for all that so that you can end up coming up with a model that can tell you if I spend $10, I'm going to make $50 back. And then if I spend $10 and my lifetime value might be 2,000, that's an unbelievable return. And so by knowing these numbers, which most business owners tend to try to avoid doing because it is a little bit tricky with if you don't love numbers or numbers scare you or you feel, not confident with, you try to like look the other way. And I've worked with clients like that where they're just like, I don't even want to know the numbers, which really that's you're missing opportunity by not knowing your numbers. So these are the key things that you want to know when you're building your business and making sure that you're building a predictable and systematic business, which is what every business owner should be striving to do so that you're never wondering what my revenue is going to be next month, next year, or years to come. AJ, what are your thoughts on numbers?
I would say that numbers are freeing. And what I mean by that, most people are scared of the numbers because they don't like math. Most of us don't like math. But the truth is that the math will tell you exactly what you need. So when you do start advertising, or if you're already advertising, you should have a formula that you can work backwards and say, all right, if I can acquire leads at X dollars and out of every 10 leads, I get this number of conversions into clients. And then those conversions are going to cost this amount, and I'm going to make this amount. Now you know exactly where you need to be in order to have a successful growing business instead of hoping and praying at the end of the month that you made more money than you spent. So it makes a huge difference in your results.